Okay, so now we are on the section moving forward after the boxes and bullets for chapter 1. This is a descriptive chapter, so we are describing kayaks in this chapter. So the next slide is slide 6, and this is where we kind of put everything all together. I saved this last part where it says type your first heading chapter title here. So I'm actually going to do that right now, and this is going to be chapter 1. And I'm going to call this what is a kayak. Remember, this is a descriptive chapter. So then what I did was I went back here and I took each of my supporting details and my kind of topic sentence and put it all together. Remember, topic sentence will be first. So I moved on and said kayaks are low to the water type of boat, and that's exactly what I had here. And then I took my next sentence, which was kayaks are made of polyethylene resin, a type of plastic, and are shaped using a mold. And then I put that next. Kayaks are made of a type of mold. And then this next sentence, I know this is a full sentence, it ends with a period. Kayaks do not have motors like many other boats, and that was from my supporting detail. Kayaks do not have motors like many other boats. And then I put the next sentence, they are propelled through the water by the person using the kayak with a paddle. And that's what I put next here, by the person with a paddle. And then the next detail was kayaks sit low to the water and have a hole in the front to drain any excess water. The hole is called a scupper hole. And so that is this portion here where I talk about scupper holes. And what I do is I just retyped, I went back and forth from this slide to this one and typed that in. So now it's a full paragraph. So when you read it, you have your topic sentence telling what we're talking about. And then you have all of your supporting details. So kayaks are a low to the water type of boat. Now this is descriptive and I'm going to tell you about kayaks. Kayaks are made of polyethylene resin, a type of plastic, and are shaped using a mold. Kayaks do not have motors like many other boats. They are propelled or moved through the water by the person using the kayak with a paddle. Kayaks sit low to the water and have a hole in the front to drain any excess water. The hole is a scupper hole. And so over here, looking in this box, I did give some examples, right? I put important words in there and I actually made them bold or darker. I did put a few definitions in there. I didn't really have steps and tips yet. I think I'm going to put that in my next chapter. Physical description, I did put that in there. It's a low to the water type boat. I did not put comparisons in because remember, chapter 3 is going to be our comparison. And I did not put any quotes in there. But these are some suggestions when you're writing this that you can remember to say a little more using these details. These detailed dozen. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 of them. Okay. So remember, take the items from your previous slide and you're placing them into a paragraph form for chapter 1.